LinkedIn ads have a positive and negative image in the market. Some marketers say that they are great for generating leads, but others say LinkedIn ads are worthless. Today in this video, we will try to find out the truth. Hey guys, actually LinkedIn ads can be highly effective for reaching a professional target audience or B2B campaigns. LinkedIn is a social media platform dedicated to professionals. Through this, users are connecting with other professionals for work-related stuff. That can be anything from hiring to sharing updates with similar industry professionals. LinkedIn is now the largest social network for professionals and businesses with 660 million users in over 220 countries. What are LinkedIn ads? LinkedIn ads is a paid marketing tool. You can create various advertising campaigns, but LinkedIn ads are a bit expensive. Therefore, first, you should analyze whether or not LinkedIn ads are the suitable medium for achieving your targets. LinkedIn ads aren't for B2B companies only. B2C companies and most other organizations can also use this ad platform for particular purposes. Currently, thousands of B2B marketers are leveraging LinkedIn advertising to spread brand awareness and generate leads. LinkedIn ads are directly comparable with Facebook ads according to the approach and their style of targeting. Both platforms have pros and cons when it comes to advertising. It depends on your goals how you choose the perfect mix of ads for your company. Advertising on LinkedIn can help your brand or business to achieve several goals like brand awareness, audience engagement, website traffic, lead conversions, website conversions, sales. The biggest drawback that marketers see in LinkedIn ads is that they are pretty expensive compared to other social media platforms. But after seeing the outcomes, you will feel that's not true. LinkedIn ads formats. LinkedIn offers various ad formats. By finding the correct format for your business, you can build a successful LinkedIn ads campaign. Here are the following ad formats. Sponsored content. As the name suggests, sponsored content is essentially promotional post. You can see the promoted sign overhead the post. You can create three types of sponsored content on LinkedIn: image, carousel, video. They can help you get some quality traffic. But before selecting this, decide your target audience and make sure your content is worth the ad cost. Best practices for content sponsor ads. Recommended image size is 1200 x 627. Write headlines within 150 characters and explanatory copy in 70 characters. Add call to action. Keep the copy crisp and concise. Video ads. Nowadays, videos are the preferable type of content, and video ads can also be an engaging way to reach the target audience quickly. For video ads campaign, first you have to set your video ad campaign goals. Awareness, to spread awareness about your brand. Consideration, you want people to take action and know more about your brand or services. Conversion, you want to get organic traffic through LinkedIn video ads. LinkedIn video ads includes various features. Optional, name your video ad within 255 characters. Optional, write intro up to 600 characters. Length, minimum 3 seconds and maximum 30 minutes. File size 75 KB to 200 MB. File format MP4. Frame rate less than 30 FPS. Width ratio within 640 and 1920 pixels. Height ratio within 360 and 1920 pixels. Aspect ratio within 1.778 and 0.5652. Sponsored messaging. In-mail and conversion ads. This ad format directly delivers the messages in the inbox. According to LinkedIn, these messages are highly successful at driving conversions. This type of LinkedIn ad is more straightforward and effective. Through this, you can generate leads by targeting a specific niche. Text ads. Text ads in LinkedIn are short ads that appear on the side of the main feed only for desktop users. Text ads can grow the potential reach of your ads. It can also be helpful to boost conversions. Best practices for text ads. You can add 100 x 100 pixels image, headline up to 25 characters, description up to 75 characters. Dynamic ads. Dynamic ads get self-personalized for your leads based on their profiles. Dynamic ads can help increase your followers. These ads can also drive organic traffic to your website. So, if you utilize this in the right way, dynamic ads can be incredibly effective. These ads have a few different objectives. Follower ads. Do you want to increase followers on your LinkedIn company page? Spotlight ads. If you want to share your thoughts, expertise, best practices, insights, and other valuable content with your target audience. Job ads to get more candidates for your job openings. Content ads to generate leads automatically when people download your content. Carousel ads. Carousel ads allows you to tell a story or explain something. Carousel ads enhance the engagement of your post. Generally, people utilize these for different purposes like brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation. Through engaging carousel ads, you can showcase your product or services. These ads can be beneficial, but the condition is your slide should be visually and textually appealing. Best practices for carousel ads. Using 2 to 10 slides per ad. I prefer 1080 into 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio of 1:1 for a single image. Keeping introductory text under 150 characters. Measure your ad's success. After paying that much and putting in so much effort, it's time to analyze the success. You should examine the reports and determine which types of ads worked for you and which didn't. For getting campaign insights, you can use LinkedIn Ads Manager. The LinkedIn Ads Manager has a fantastic analytic feature. Through that, you can track all the key metrics like clicks, impressions, cost per click, click-through rate, cost per impression, conversions, and cost per lead. You can track other factors like which region's audience most engaged with your content, how people reacted to your approach, etc. Based on these insights, you should keep changing your strategy. LinkedIn advertising offers various ways to connect with the right audience and expand your business. But if you are a newbie in the business, then this is not the wise choice. Depending on your goals, LinkedIn advertising can connect you with potential marketers. LinkedIn advertising focuses on targeting the most qualified potential buyers only. Hence, your ads see maximum ROI.